Hey guys, namaste, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to be knowing how I do my blow dry on the days where I have to look put together and presentable. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So before I start the blow drying, I'm going to tell you guys what I've done to my hair. I've shampooed my hair completely and I have used the hair mask. This is from Plum. It's the coconut peptide strengthen and shine hair mask. This is really good. It has shea butter swollen in it, and I've also applied some leave-in conditioner in the form of heat protectant. I've just emulsified it a little bit with my water and put it onto my hairs, put a hair length as well as the hairs from here to here. So this is from the brand called Errata. This is one of the famous company. This is for the curly hairs. I have slightly wavy hairs, so I like the products of Errata. And now I'm going to be using a regular Philips hair blow dryer. This is a 1000-watt Philips blow dryer. And the tools that I'm going to be using are these two brushes. This is a paddle brush and this is a round brush. This I'm going to be using only in the ends to just give that little flip, and this one is going to be used for the entire blowout. The direction of your blow drying also matters a lot in reducing the frizz. So always try to blow dry over this positioning. Do not keep your blow dryer like this or like this. Try to go a little bit slanting. My hair is almost 60 to 70% dry under the fan and in the air, and now I'm just gonna blow dry a little bit and start styling my hair. I have tied the crown section of my hair. Now I'm going to be concentrating only on the length. I'm going to take the brush and start blow drying my hair. Blow dry technique is really good for people with wavy hairs like what I have, and this is also good for curly hair people. If they're looking out to blow dry their hairs straight, you can just do this part and let it go. And I'm just going to go another one more time from the roots. Very voluminous as well as kind of straight as well, and set my hairs in this and start blow drying. Just comb this a little bit and start doing the ends of these. This is a round roller brush, and this is going to give that beautiful looking outwards or inwards curl. So I'm going to be taking the hair, combing it thoroughly, and just gonna wrap. Be very careful when you do this. You should be able to open it like this, so or else your hair is gonna get stuck and you're gonna lose a lot of hairs by the time this just comes out. So make sure you're very careful when you do this part. And now I'm gonna take and put this on one speed. Can you see the bounce? I've done it outwards. You can also do it inwards depending upon your needs. If you have haircut like mine, I have a very deep U-cut at the bottom and I have a face framing bangs at the top. This particular blowout is going to look really good. If you put it down in a clip, it just looks like layers. So I'm just gonna do the same thing on to all the sections. You can also take bigger sections so that it's all defined. There is a difference. So to give a little volume over here, what I'm going to be doing is I'm just going to take this into two sections and I'm going to use the paddle brush and I'm going to blow dry it like this. So having good sections is also important, as well as knowing to move your hands is also important. See the difference. It's just look flat. This has a little bit of volume over here. I'm just going to repeat the same step one more time. I'm going to be doing the same blowout over this side as well, and then I'm going to be back doing this section. So now I'm going to be repeating the same thing at the bottom line as well. Over here, just go and twist. And I'm going to be blowing out this particular part of hairs. Hold this for a second without blow drying. Once you're done with the blow drying, or let this set, hold it for a second, and then so this is how it just looks from the bottom. And I'll show you guys the bottom line. And now it's time to do your crown section. See, it just looks very effortless and chic. That's the reason I love this particular style. So I'm going to be using this comb. It's a roller. To finish the entire blowout, I'm going to be using hair serum. You can use any hair serum of your choice. I'm just going to take a little drops of this, rub it in my palms, and just going to go to my hairs. This just reduces frizz and also repairs whatever the sort of heat damage that have happened to your hair while blowing out, and reduces split ends as well. And one thing that I would like to tell is, blowout on a regular basis is not good. Try going with natural hairstyles or natural way of drying your hairs and giving it the texture, which I'm going to be showing to you guys very soon. This looks really good if you have a special occasion to attend, and you can try this on a special occasions. And moreover, I haven't used much of heat. I haven't touched the roots. I've just gone with the hairs. So I hope you guys got to see my way of blowing out my hairs. I really hope you guys liked the way I did my blowout. This doesn't damage your hairs, and it also stays for a really long time, giving you that extra voluminous look. So until next time, stay tuned, take care, bye bye, love you guys. You guys know the drill. Make sure you guys like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and check out my Instagram. I've linked it down in the description box below.